Welcome to the first of its kind book folding art gallery. Come on in. Please leave your food and drink outside. Thank you. So we'll be entering our first gallery, the Mark and Fold. This is a great beginner style, and it only involves 2 measurements per page. Come along and let's keep going. Welcome to the Mark and Fold multi-line gallery. Again, 2 measurements per page, but this time each page will be divided so that it allows for a lot more detail. Let's keep going. The free form. This does not involve any measurements at all. Please remember no flash photography. The next gallery is the 180 with cardstock. This allows the creator to add a lot of color. Here you can see the before and after. This next gallery is multi-depth. This allows different pages to be folded at different depths to give extra dimension. And what an amazing job it does. The Combi combines the mark and fold and the cut and fold. Look at all that extra dimension. This next gallery is sculpting. This does not involve measuring, but it does involve an X-Acto knife. Oh, it looks like it's starting to get crowded in the galleries. One of the most popular styles is the cut and fold. This next gallery is the photo strip. It's slightly different than the typical book folding, but it allows the person to add a lot to the museum gift shop. As you can see, this is look at that rhino. It's an Etsy store where you can buy lots of patterns. They all come with free tutorials, so come take a look. Click on the card above and you'll be able to be linked right to the gift shop. Donations will be accepted, and take a look at the gift shop. Enjoy.